Welcome to Kids Library. Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the 4 seasons. Let's see how the world changes. In spring, flowers bloom, birds sing and trees turn green. In summer, the sun shines bright, we eat ice cream and go to the beach. In autumn, leaves turn orange, red, and yellow. They fall from the trees. In winter, it is cold, we wear jackets, and sometimes it snows. Yay! Now you know all the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Can you tell which is your favorite season? Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.